Samsung Galaxy A55 5G camera test. Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are well and in good health. Today I have a new and important video with you, which is a Samsung Galaxy A55 5G camera test. I hope you like it, but before you watch the video, subscribe to the channel to receive everything new and useful. Now let's continue the explanation. We put the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G through Xmark's rigorous battery of camera tests to measure its performance in photo and video quality and zoom from an end-user perspective. This article describes how the device fared in a variety of tests and several common use cases, and aims to highlight the most important results of our tests with a snippet of the data captured. Summary: main camera specifications. Primary, 50MP sensor, f/1.8 aperture, f/OI is ultra-wide, 12MP sensor, 123 degrees field of view, f/2.2 aperture lens macro, 5MP sensor, f/2.4 aperture positives accurate exposure, fairly wide dynamic range in bright light and indoors, fairly high texture levels in bright light, good video stabilization when standing while recording, cons some exposure instability, and stepping noise, especially in the shadow areas of the frame. Sometimes the color rendition is inaccurate. Video stabilization is ineffective when moving while recording. Color shifts, luminous and combinatorial artifacts. Limited zoom capabilities, low texture and limited dynamic range in zoom shots. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is one of the latest models in Samsung's A series and the successor to the A54 5G that we tested previously. The new model shares some camera hardware specifications with its predecessor, and in our tests, the camera performed at a similar level as well. Overall results were very average for this class of device, with accurate exposure and fairly good texture when shooting in appropriate lighting conditions. However, in more challenging situations, for example scenes with strong backlighting, very low light, or scenes containing motion, our testers noticed a range of failures, including color shifts around clipped areas, ghosting effects, and a noticeable drop in tracking capabilities. Autofocus. Surprisingly, our testers found the A55's bokeh mode to be less accurate, with more subject segmentation errors and activation failures, than the previous mode. The lack of a dedicated remote camera unit meant that close-up image quality was very limited. In terms of ultra-wide, the A55 offered a slightly wider dynamic range than the A54 but revealed higher noise levels, especially in the shadow areas of the frame. Additionally, color rendering was less pleasant, with some colors spreading out. In video mode, the stabilization was not at the same level as top-of-the-line devices, for example, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro. Test summary about Xmark camera tests. Xmark camera evaluations are conducted in laboratories and in real-world situations using a wide range of subjects. Results are based on objective tests, the results of which are calculated directly by measurement software on our laboratory setup, and on perceptual tests in which a sophisticated set of metrics allows a team of image experts to compare aspects of image quality that require human judgment. The smartphone testing involves a team of engineers and technicians for about a week. Image, zoom and video quality are recorded separately and then combined into an overall score to compare cameras in different devices. For more information about the Xmark camera protocol, click here. More details about the smartphone camera results are available here. The following section brings together the essential elements of Xmark's comprehensive testing and analysis. Full performance evaluations are available upon request. Please contact us to find out how to obtain a full report. Picture about Xmark camera photo tests for recording and analysis. Xmark engineers capture and evaluate more than 2,600 test images in controlled laboratory environments and in outdoor, indoor and low-light landscapes, using the camera's default settings. The photo protocol is designed to take into account key use cases and is based on typical photography scenarios, such as portraits, family and landscapes. Evaluation is performed by visually examining images against a reference of natural scenes, and by performing objective measurements on chart images taken in the laboratory under various lighting conditions from 1 to 1000 plus lux and color temperatures from 2300 K to 6500 K. Zoom in about Xmark Camera Zoom Test. Xmark engineers capture and evaluate more than 400 test images in controlled laboratory environments and in outdoor, indoor and low-light landscape scenes, using the camera's default settings and zooming using different zoom factors from ultra-wide to long-range zooms. Evaluation is performed by visually examining images against a reference of natural scenes, and by making objective measurements of histograms taken in the laboratory under varying conditions from 20 to 1000 lux and color temperatures from 2300 K to 6500 K. Video about Xmark Camera Video Tests. Xmark engineers capture and evaluate more than 2.5 hours of video in controlled laboratory environments and in low light, indoor and outdoor landscape scenes, using the camera's default settings. The evaluation consists of visually examining natural videos captured in different conditions and performing objective measurements on videos of charges recorded in the laboratory under various conditions from 1 to 1000 plus lux and color temperatures from 2300 K to 6500 K. At the end of the video, I hope you liked it, and see you in a new video.